To install RAM, all you have to do is push back the thumb guards, the two white ones on each side, line up your RAM with the correct, on the bottom there is a little, on the bottom of your RAM there will be a little arch, and you have to line up which side is the longest, which side is the shortest on each side, and then push down firmly on each side, and then the two thumb locks will push back and lock the RAM into place.